afternoon, student of class 10. Today I will do the map pointing of your syllabus. I will give this in chapter wise. Now I will start the soil of India. So you know that there are 4 types of soil, 5 types of soil. First is the mountain soil. See, this portion is, and this portion in northeast, this belongs to mountain soil. Mountain soil. This also mountain soil. So which part? This part and this part. Next, the alluvial soil. Alluvial soil means this entire northern plain belongs to alluvial soil. Next, the desert soil. Desert soil is here, this portion. See, this portion is the desert soil. Next is the Deccan, the black soil. Black soil means this portion. Maharashtra, Gujarat part is the black soil. Next is the laterite soil. See this portion, southernmost part. Karnataka, Kerala, this portion is laterite soil. And last of all, the red soil. Red soil is here. See, this portion is the red soil in northeast India. So, how many soil? See, mountain soil, alluvial soil, desert soil, black soil, laterite soil and red soil. Clear? Next is the forest. Now, first forest also, how many? This mountain forest, mountain soil means includes mountain forest. The same place. Mountain soil and mountain forest, same place. Mountain soil, mountain forest, same place. Here also mountain forest. Okay. Next, after mountain forest, there is desert forest. Means the same place. Where is desert soil? Here is desert forest. Okay. Next is the which forest? Mangrove forest. You know, mangrove forest is found in the delta region. Means here, see, this is the Sundarban delta region. This portion, delta area of Godavari. This is the mangrove forest. Mangrove forest. This is the mangrove forest. Next is the tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest. It is found here in along the Western Ghats. The tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen. So, listen student, I am showing this in map and I will send one PDF where in means outline map I will give all the map pointings and the chart map list chapter wise also I will give. What is your task? According to chapter wise in individual map you have to do the map pointing, seeing the video and the PDF. Okay? You should complete after seeing the video. Next is the agriculture. The first is the rice growing region. Rice crop agriculture. You know where is rice growing region found? It is found in West Bengal. See, this is West Bengal. This is West Bengal. So, this portion is the rice growing area. Any one place is enough. So any one place is enough means you will mark only these. This is West Bengal. You will mark here rice producing region. I am writing here directly. You can use index. Means on the side how you are doing here. Suppose giving one symbol and rice producing region. In this way you will do. Next, after rice there is wheat producing region. Wheat producing region means Punjab, Haryana side. This portion is the wheat producing region. Similarly, with symbol you have to show in the index. Index. Wheat producing region. Wheat. Then tea producing region. Tea producing region, two places. One this side. This is the Darjeeling. Tea producing region, Darjeeling. And here is Assam, this side. Tea producing region. This is tea in Eastern India, tea in Northeast India. Clear? So I am doing the index like this. Index here tea. After this there is cotton producing region. You know this black soil region. You know black soil is suitable for cotton production. So this entire black soil region is for cotton. Black soil region for cotton. This is cotton producing region. Cotton. This is cotton. And last of all, what you have? There is coffee producing region. You know coffee is very famous where in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. This portion. This portion is coffee. See, this is Karnataka, this is Kerala, this is Tamil Nadu. This Karnataka is famous for coffee. So this is coffee. And if you get the question that one tea producing region of South India, here you will mark this is tea in South India. Okay, tea in South India, and this is coffee. Is it clear? Now the which part? Agriculture over. Then the transport and port. If you get one port in Eastern India, which port? Kolkata port. Kolkata port. In bracket you will write what? Eastern India. Is it clear? Now one port in Western India, here, Mumbai. One port in Western India. It is in Western India, Mumbai. Clear? Next, which is the deepest port? Deepest port is Vishakhapatnam port. It is the deepest port of India. The Vishakhapatnam port is here in Andhra Pradesh. Vishakhapatnam, V-I-S-H-A-K-A-T, cut, Vishakhapatnam, P-A-T-N-A-M, Vishakhapatnam, the deepest port. Next, the tax-free port. Which is the tax-free port? The Kandla port in Gujarat. Kandla, K-A-N-D-L-A, Kandla, tax-free port. See, the Kandla port, the tax-free port in Gujarat. Okay. Now, next is the capital city. You know which is the capital city of our country? That is Delhi. or New Delhi, capital. Next, the pink city. Which is the pink city? Pink city is Jaipur. Jaipur. Okay, the pink city. Okay, now you have to do the iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry you can mark here in Jamshedpur or Durgapur. Here is Durgapur. Iron and steel industry in Durgapur. Petrochemical industry in Haldia. This is Haldia. This is Haldia. See, Haldia. Petrochemical industry. Next is IT industry. It is where? In Bangalore. IT Bengaluru. Bengaluru. Next is railway coach factory. Railway coach factory is at Perambur in South India. So this is all about the map. Please go through the map properly. All the maps are given in PDF and the map list also there. You should practice properly, and in outline map